Hey, happy Monday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Levels. So we have all been working on this new, all these A2P requirements are always shifting around. And one of the things that we've noticed lately is the carriers, it's this weird, funny situation where it says, you don't have to do it this way, but it's amazing how they prefer that you do it this way. And then when you do it this way, it actually, the A2P registrations seem to go faster. So in order to make this easier, we basically formalized this and brought this out for all of you to use. So what is that exactly? That is a second checkbox on a form that explicitly says, if you check this box, we will text message you, and you're okay with that, essentially. You can read the verbiage here, but that's basically what it is. And it's wild because normally you would just have one text box, checkbox, and it would sort of say all the terms and conditions, which you still sort of need, and then you would also throw that in as well. But now they love the fact that there's two of them, and so we've made this enhancement. So what are we doing here exactly? We're rolling out a new update to our forms and response to clean this up. We've got two separate TNC clear consent. So one is transactional messages, one's promotional, and each option is presented with an individual checkbox allowing for independent opt-in, editable TNC content. So we've modified both the TNC directly from the right-hand side of the editor, so it just makes it easier. Actually, back on this page, you can see where it says TNC1, TNC2, so that makes things easier. We try to put in some defaults there to make your life easier. Also, auto addition with phone element. So when users drag and drop the phone element, the updated TNC element, both transactional and promotional, will be added automatically. For standalone TNC additions, the previous single TNC behavior remains. So basically, just if you're doing this, like if you just want to do normal terms and conditions for other than SMS, that's still there, so don't worry about it. Also, submission and recording for compliance. So user consent choices will now be recorded in the terms and condition column in the submission table. If both the TNCs will be selected, they'll be separated by a semicolon. This is just later on, if someone comes in and says, no, I never said this was okay, or I never said you could do this, you will have absolute evidence that they did absolutely that. So I'm just trying to protect you in case somebody comes back later on and tries to say something that you didn't have these in place. Now you'll be able to show that they did, or you did rather. There's a great help doc in this. As always, help.gohighlevel.com. Just search campaign registration step-by-step guide. And also we've got another one in here, campaign approval best practices. And the goal here is to try to make what is admittedly a difficult process as easy as possible end to end. So this checkbox, I think, will go a long way to helping with that. So anyways, on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Monday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.